Hi, I'm Ben.
Hey there, Ben. I'm Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Pleasure to meet you too, Ben.
Where are you from, Sarah?
I'm from London. How about you, Ben?
I'm from New York.
Oh, that's interesting. What do you do for a living?
I'm a student. What about you, Sarah?
I'm a teacher.
That's cool. Do you enjoy teaching?
Yes, I do. It's quite fulfilling. And you, Ben?
I enjoy learning English.
That's great. English is such an important language.
Yes, it is. Do you speak any other languages, Sarah?
Yes, I speak a bit of Spanish.
That's impressive. I only speak English.
Don't worry, English is very useful.
Thank you, Sarah.
You're welcome, Ben.
What do you like to do in your free time, Sarah?
I enjoy reading and traveling. How about you, Ben?
I like playing basketball and watching movies.
That's interesting. Do you have any siblings, Ben?
Yes, I have one sister. What about you, Sarah?
I have one brother and one sister.
That's nice. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog named Max.
I love dogs. What breed is Max?
He's a golden retriever.
They're so friendly. I wish I had a dog.
Maybe you'll get one someday.
I hope so. What's your favorite food, Sarah?
I love pizza. How about you, Ben?
Pizza is delicious. I also like spaghetti.
Italian food is the best. Do you like to cook?
Not really. Do you?
Yes, I love cooking.
What's your favorite dish to cook?
I make a mean lasagna.
That sounds delicious. Maybe you could cook for me sometime.
Sure, I'd love to.
Well, it was nice meeting you, Sarah.
It was nice meeting you too, Ben.
I'll see you later.
Goodbye, Ben.